What's up, guys? GNCRC back with another video. Yo, guys, you remember this rig? Got it real early. I did a few upgrades on this one, and most of you guys know you've been following the channel. If you hadn't been following the channel, I put a link right above so you can check out some of the upgrades I did to this thing. But I stripped it completely down, put it on the shelf, and the biggest part about this thing that made it, like, I don't want to say the word suck, but it made it suck was, for one, I hate they went with these size wheels, but they did keep it true to scale, so totally understand that. But this motor, this is a tiny motor. So a bunch of you guys know I have a trail finder group as well on Facebook. I'll put a link in the description below. But I was on there and I saw one of the guys mention something about an upgrade, and I went online and checked it out. So it was a really easy process. If you bought one of these in the past, as long as you have your receipt, you can go online and sign up to get a new powertrain. And I'm thinking this is going to be something that's going to be for the new ones. I hadn't really looked into it, so I don't know if they're going to include this on the new ones or not. Pretty sure they are. Went online, signed up for it. I want to say like the next day I got a response, and I guess maybe a week later, 4 or 5 days later, I received this. So first of all, I want to say huge shout out to RC4WD for even acknowledging that the truck is like really underpowered. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this and I'm gonna show you what it is. I've had it for about a month. I'm sorry I hadn't opened it, hadn't had time, had a whole lot of other stuff going on, as a bunch of you guys know. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this now. Don't know what my handy dandy unboxing knife is, so today we're gonna use this. But if you guys do want to unbox a knife, make sure you hit that link below and you can check out a bunch of cool knives. But let's just go ahead and open this thing. And I'm sure you can just scan that and that will tell you how to install this. So this is what we have in this box. Like a SIM card tool for the most part. Some O-rings, a couple screws. Maybe these are longer than the original screws. And we have a much larger motor. This is a 130 motor and a new transmission with bearings installed, as you can see. I'm going to give you guys a size comparison to the original motor and the new motor. Look at that, guys. That is night and day. Much larger setup. Different transmission. Transmission is larger, but this thing should have a whole lot more power. I mean, look at that. That's crazy. Now, I'm not going to install this today, guys, but what I do ask for the ones that think I should revisit this, let me know, and I will go ahead and install this, and I'll get a new ESC on this thing, because I did have a Lizard, just the stock, the old Lizard, not the Lizard Pro. I had a Lizard on here and I took it off and I went ahead and put it on another project. My thoughts were to go ahead and bob this. I got this new blade I've been wanting to test out since I bought it. Make it a little bit shorter because that is a whole lot longer than it needs to be, and it's gonna rub on rocks. But that's what I'm thinking about doing, guys. Thinking about sticking this in here, and I got some more wheels and tires. I just hadn't installed them. I never did install them. And I might even put some adapters on there and go with something a little bit larger than what's on here. I think the ones that I have are, I can't remember, but they were one of the real popular ones in the early stages with the SCX24s. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and install this thing. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna do it based on what you guys say. I really want to do it. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I need to get a new ESC before I do anything. If you don't mind, go down below in the comments and let me know what you think. You think I should revisit this? Let me know. And what I'll probably end up doing at some point, once you guys know, I got the GNCRC.com coming online pretty soon. I'll probably end up, if I don't revisit, I'll go ahead and put it on there. And I might put it on there and sell it. I might raffle it off. You guys let me know what you think. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.